You ran out of space, probably.
Some get a new set of wheels. Some get set to explore. Play with the dashboard. Up, down. Or go for a dash. Whether they learn about numbers or all about the weather. A sunny day. With the new crawl around car, babies aren't just playing. They're
Because
on
at
the road
first
to
it
learning.
wasn't recording it. I thought it was
Nothing
recording.
faster drives
And that was like the
outside
best.